Hi, I would like to welcome you to this short video showing how to copy objects to another object. First of all, let me see how does actually the system behaves on doing the how the objects actually uh, created. Assume I've got this class called rectangle. So assume I've got two as one, that is. Let me just change this one. So it does get this. Change one and a smaller one. It's one. There it is. So I've got two. There it is. So for instance, R1, rectangle R1, and I've got R2. And assume this one has got length is called for instance 10 and this is 5. This one is 20 and this is 15 for instance. Assume R1 and R2. If you say for instance R1 equal R2, automatically R1, if you notice on this one, R1 on the right hand side, this will disappear. So what's going to happen? Because this is the object. Here it is, the object R2, right? So R1 in this case, R1, what's going to happen to the R1? In here, if you notice, right, R1 is going to point to this one. So it's pointed just like opening a video. So this will disappear here. So it's going to be equal to anything. So if I change the value here, for instance, still R1 change with R2, right? And if I change R1, of course, it's going to be the same things. Let me see on this, and based on that, we'll see how that's going to behave. Let me write. We go to the. I've got this rectangle. Let me try rectangle R1, for instance. I will say a new rectangle, right? And I'm going to say, for instance, I can put there as values, or I can put one its values. So this one is 10, for instance, 10 and 5. That is right. And second one, I can say rectangle R2 equal a new rectangle. That is, and of course, I can say I like that, or I can say R1 set length, for instance, it is equal, let's say 20, it is, and R1 as R2, with R2 here, and with the R2 here, R2, it was set width, it is equal 10, right? And I can print therefore, I can say system out, print ln, and I say SR1. It is, and same things. I just copy it here and make this R2 is R2. All right, and then put a separator here. Separator like that. It is, and then this one here between them. It is. So of course R1 we know is 10 and 5, so the area is 50. And this one, R2 is 10, 20 and 10, which means 200. So if I run this program here, it is, says OK, and as the output, it says, length is 10, width is 5, so that's 50, and the other one, 20 and 10 is 50. Now, what we're going to do, we're going to copy now. We're going to copy R1 and R2. So if I say R1 equal R2, what does that mean here? That means when I come in here at this, let me just draw it again. So it's based on this here. At this. So look at that's R1. What does it mean R1 and R2? We know, let me draw this. At this. We know this is R1. At this R1, which is 10 and 5. R2 equal is point to the one which is 20 and 10. Now, as soon as I do this, So when I do print, this is print statement. I will do this away. When I do this here, when I do these statements here, print statements, that's going to give me here. This first one, R1, is R1, 10 and 5, so that's 50. And the second one is 20 and so on. So based on that, that's fine because that's separate one. As soon as I do this, this is statement. What does that mean? Statement. This is statements. R1 is equal to R2. So R1, this will disappear. It's not pointing anymore to this, right? It's not part of it. So that will go. This will go, and R1 in this case, R1 is going to point to it, to this object, like opening a window to it. So when I say, what is R1 and R2, it's going to say exactly the same, right? So that's exactly the same here. So if I do that, here it is, and I say, I'm going to print them the same, right? I'm going to do this, here it is, print them here. Which is here, like this, and I'm going to run it. Yeah, both of them is going to be equal to 20. So that's R1, and this is R2. Now, if I come in here and I say, look at that, if I say R2 dot set width, there it is, and I make it 12, for instance. So what's going to happen? Because we're pointing exactly the same things here, because we're doing exactly the same as we've got 20, because we've changed that, so 20 and 10, which is R2, and we say this is pointing to it, R1. Right. So if I say R1, I'm going to take it to R1 or R2, set width, and thus becomes a 12. Right. Look at that. R1 is still looking at it, and R1 is going to be is 12, exactly the same thing. So it's going to be 12 times 20 times 12. That is going to give me 240 for the area. We'll check it on this one. Here it is. So if I do that and I say print them for me, see what they're going to give me. Of course, both of them they're gonna change. Right, run the program here. And both of them would change exactly the same things, right? Here it is, yeah. And so on. And that's how you copy object from one to another and the effect of it. So as a reference, always a reference between the objects. If one things change, I can change if I want to. I can change. I'll use R1. R1 dot set length. Here it is, and I say make it, for instance, 15 for me. Here it is, right? So in that case, both of them is gonna change. Here it is. If I print this one, here it is. Here, right? Keep in mind. Here it is. Run it, and see what that's gonna give us. It's gonna exactly the same things. Both of them will change. Again, just recap on it quickly. Recap on this. I got two objects, here it is. I've got the object R1, and I've got object R2, and this one was 10 and 5, and the second one is 20 and 10. So when I say R1, it is R1 equal R2. The left hand side will disappear, here it is. So this will point to this one, right? So that means if I remove all this here, and I thought more clearly, it's here. So I have this, which is says this is 20 and 10. So that's R1, and here's R2. Now, what do we do? Look at that, because I says R2 set width to 12. So that becomes 12. It's still R1. Look at that. R1 is looking at it. So of course R1 and R2 exactly the same. Look at here, I says R1 set length, so that becomes 15. When I say 15, look at that, they're both looking at the same thing. And that's why for the first time here, when I made it 12, here it is. 12 is going to give me both of the same. When I change one the other one, it'll give me exactly the same thing. I hope this makes sense of how you compare object to one the other, because soon you say object left hand side of the equal, as always, it disappears and it will be pointed like opening a window and looking at that object. Any change, you see it. You can change it either one of them, R1 or R2. I hope that's clear how you copy objects and what's the impact on the result. Should you have any question, please don't hesitate to contact me. Thank you very much. I appreciate it. Thank you.